At Austin Powder, safety is our first priority and has been for nearly 200 years. Keeping team members, customers, and the public safe from harm will always come first as we extract the minerals and raw materials needed to keep our society building and moving forward.
It's explosives, and everybody thinks of the old Wile E. Coyote with the plunger and blowing up things with dynamite, and it's nothing like that. Everything is controlled, everything is done safely. We have to dot all our I's and cross all our T's every day, and they know what could happen if things went bad.
So everything we do as a company, every decision we make, we go back to our values. Safety is our first priority of the company. Every step that we make, every decision that we make, we have safety in mind. That's the culture we build.
This is a safety coin that Austin Powder carries. All of our employees carry it. On the back it says, "The people I work for are waiting for me at home." If there is a safety issue or an incident where they don't feel comfortable raising their hand to call a stop workage for safety concern, they can just put that coin up. And at that juncture, we stop work for the day, or at that time, and we talk about what's going on and just kind of clears the air and lets everybody get on the same page.
There's a lot of safety things that are implemented daily that you have to look out for. And Austin, they train you for everything you need to be aware of. And that's a daily thing. It's not a once time, see a video and it's over now. You're every day. So I want to make sure at the end of the day, you go home and I go home. I don't want to make that phone call.
So safety is the #1 priority. Nothing else above it. We strive in everything we do, from safety meetings, monthly, safety meeting at the beginning of each day on the bench to ensure that everybody knows what's going on, what hazards we face, so that we can return home safely.
We are inherently in a dangerous, per se, environment, whether you're on the bench, traveling, hazardous materials, whatever it may be. Safety is not just a catchphrase, it's how we live. We are our brother's keeper, we look out for one another.
We depend on one another to protect each other. We're working in a hazardous environment, very unforgiving to errors. And so it's very, very important for us to keep that culture, to build on that culture constantly, keep innovating within our safety program, within our policies, procedures that we use out in the field to keep everyone safe.
Years of experience in the field have honed their safety practices, and now a new era of technology is changing the industry's work methods, improving both safety and productivity.
So at Austin, the tried and true ways of past that have worked for years and are still successfully used are not being phased out, but being improved upon in terms of safety and repeatability. At Austin, we strive to stay on the cutting edge of technology. We utilize all sorts of software programs, drone footage for both safety and production value.
Technology side of the business has come a long way in the last couple of years. Our proprietary software paradigm, a vibration mitigation tool where we can make sure that we're good stewards of the industry, but also adhering to state and local regulations. Along with our 3D modeling and being able to design shots, making sure that we have accurate burdens, good profiles, making sure that we're not having any face ejections, fly rocks, those sorts of things has made a big difference in how we're moving forward as a company as well.
If you do the little things, make the small decisions, the detailed items to be safe, a lot of times that's not the easiest way. It's a lot easier to take a shortcut and get it done quicker. But if we're out in the field at the locations doing the little things right, your business will follow. Because if you're doing the little things right with safety in your daily operations, you're going to be performing your task in the field the right way, which makes us efficient and profitable. So it all ties in together.